Today we are off to the Lancashire British Bird and Hybrid Club show. It's always one of the best shows of the year. Loads and loads of British birds all competing for the special awards. So let's head off there now and see how we get on.
I've got a brother who's a smart special colour, but he's not fully moulded. So he's
So we are back from the Lancashire British Bird and Hybrid Club show, and it was absolutely fantastic. It's one of my favourite shows of the year for sure. It was a very competitive show, which is always great. There was just over 400 birds benched on the day, which is always nice to see at these specialist shows. I think the classes were some of the most competitive I've seen, and a number of people had commented that, saying that it was one of the most competitive shows they've been to in a while. I think a couple of highlights of that was there was a class of 29 current year lesser red-polled cockbirds exhibited in the champions. There was a number of double figure classes in the mealy red-polls, which is almost unheard of, and then there were large classes of greenfinches, other red-polls, different things. So it was a really good day, and I'm just so pleased with how it all went. I know that there's people had come from all over the country for this show. A couple of chaps from Scotland. Big shout out to Jordan, who had come up for one of his first shows all the way from Kent. So it was a 5-hour drive for him, but he was rewarded with a number of class wins, which is absolutely fantastic. But for myself personally, it was a very successful day. So we had a number of class wins and places in the cards with the greenfinches and the lesser red-polls. One in particular was I had a class of 12 lesser red-polls, and I got second in that class, and that's showing my red-polls are clearly improving, and hopefully when I make the step up to the champion level next year that they will compete. But never mind, this is the bird that was the star of the show for me personally. He won me Best Novice Exhibit and Best Novice Hardbill, and that is Mr. Greenfinch himself. 9 times out of 10, he'll go to a specialist show and he wins at least one special, and he has probably got 5, 6, 7 plus Best Novice Exhibit specials to his name, which is just brilliant. He just keeps doing it. He keeps improving every year, and I bred him in 2021. He was good as a current year bird, and he just keeps getting better year on year. Not only that, but he did win me some lovely rosettes. So we've got my Best Novice Hardbill rosette here, and one of the limited number British Bird Council rosettes. I know that a number of these rosettes have been distributed to affiliated clubs and societies, and I've been very lucky to win one of them. So I'm really pleased to have that as well, and it's great that the British Bird Council is sending out rosettes as they're doing, so fair play to them. But we'll take a quick look at Mr. Greenfinch. It really was a fantastic show, and I think the competitiveness across all the classes was just absolutely phenomenal. I mean, a couple of the birds that won specials were just phenomenal. I think everything had to be a special bird if you was going to win and have success on the day. I mean, a couple of birds that stand out are a fantastic cinnamon song thrush that won Best Softbill. Terry McCracken continues building on his legacy he's built over decades with British birds, as he won Best in Show with his Greenfinch cockbird, which was once again a stunning bird, but we wouldn't expect any less from Terry. And there was even a fantastic Greenfinch hen that was shown. It won 3 specials, a stunning bird that I wish I could have had in my bird room. And then down to the red polls, some fantastic colour variant red polls. The mules and hybrids were excellent. So overall, a fantastic day and one show I couldn't recommend going to enough if you keep British birds, mules and hybrids and would like to show them as well. But anyway, everyone, that's all we have time for today. We are at another show in a few weeks' time. The 8th of December, we're at the BKA Premier All Variety Show in Thurrock, down in, I think it's Kent or London sort of way. So I'll be putting a team of British birds and some canaries in probably. Really looking forward to the day, and I'll be filming there too. So anyway, everyone, if you have enjoyed today's episode and you'd like to see more from OC Aviary, please make sure to subscribe down below, smash a like on this video, follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook and TikTok, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.